Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing the PMS package. This is a monthly subscription that is for your lady time of the month. It is $34.99 with reduced prices for longer subscriptions. They send you things for your cravings, for feminine care, and for your pampering needs. This is unique in that you choose the delivery date. Now you'll see that it's already open because I was making my video and then got interrupted. So I kind of know almost everything that's in here. I'm super sorry. So it's not a surprise, but it is green inside. Isn't it super pretty? I love it. I love the packaging. All right, so this box, by the way, I know, like, I already know what's in here. I'm going to tell you it's amazing. This is probably one of my favorite boxes from them. I have done many unboxings, and they're always, like, full of snacks and really useful items. But this one's my favorite. Can I say that? Like, I love this one the most. Wait till you see. All right. So first we have a Mrs. Fields. This is a white chocolate macadamia, my favorite kind of cookie. I'm not a huge cookie person, but this is amazing. So I'll eat that, no problem. I will not share that either with my children. I just won't. Next we have, you guys know, if you've watched my channel enough, that birthday cake anything is like my jam. I love birthday cake. So these are cookie dough bites. Remember when they used to put these in like Blockbuster in a big bin? And they, with like the cherry sour balls, which are another one of my hot jams. Love those too. But like, yay! So they have sprinkles too. With sprinkles. How can you say no to that? All right. Next we have, this is from Cala. These are collagen makeup remover cleansing tissues. There's 30 in here. They're enhanced with vitamin E, gently cleanse and remove makeup. I like having these. I use these for all sorts of odd things, like wiping stuff on my hands, wiping up if I drip something, or you know, when you with makeup you're getting it all over. These are just great to have. You can never have enough. And this is a little pack. I like when they're like this instead of those giant ones where like you're like, where do I put this? This one, you can just tuck it away. Ta-da! All right, next we have, I'm so excited for this. So this is from California Mango. It's a mango cleansing gel body wash. It is a huge 9 ounces. Look at the package. It's orange, my favorite, you know. It smells amazing. It smells like fruit. Oh, I'm so excited. I am too. Also, one thing I said in the other video while I was recording, a lot of times you get lotion in boxes. I'm not a huge lotion person, so getting body wash is really cool. I love it because I definitely always use it. So it's definitely something I can use. All right. Next we have the $1 Million Bar from Barton's. This is a rich dark chocolate bar. It's 2 ounces. I'm curious, and I have to take my picture so I can't open this up on camera. It is limited edition too, it says there. But I'm curious if the wrapper is just the $1 million or if the actual bar looks like $1 million. What do you think? If you're interested, look at my full review. I will put pictures of what the actual bar looks like. And like I said, I will link to PMS Package if you're interested in them. If you're also interested in my review, like I said, I'll link to that as well. All right, now we're getting to the parts that okay, so I do know this one. This is amazing. As soon as I open this box, I could smell like a perfume. This is from Peri Petty Candles. This is a bamboo linen room spray. It's a 4-ounce bottle. Look at the pretty label. How pretty is that? It smells amazing. I can't even, it's like a woodsy clean scent. Is that like, I know those are kind of two that they don't really pair together, but this just smells good. I like it. I like it. It's like my favorite item in the box. All right. So this is Awake caffeinated chocolate bars. Ooh, they're each, okay, so this one is 210 calories. This one's 230. This is just a milk chocolate. Look at the wrapper, isn't it cute? Oh, am I holding it upside down? There we go. And this one is caramel. How is the caramel? It's 20 calories less, but aren't they cute? I've never heard of these or tried them, so I'm excited about that. All right. Mini Chewy Sweethearts. Don't mind if you do. Look, they designed their label. I haven't had these in so long. I'll definitely have to share these with my kids because they wouldn't have it any other way. All right. Then we've got this Pure Radiance by Cala. So same company as our wipes. A premium gold hydrogel mask. So this is going to be lifting, firming, glowing for radiant, youthful, deeply hydrated skin. 1 sheet. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. I'm getting into reading it. Oops. So I love, you guys know I love sheet masks. I love skincare, so I'm excited to try this out as well. That is everything that I received in my April PMS package. If you are interested in the review or PMS package, check down in the info box. If you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Thank you guys, as always, so much for watching. I'll see you next time.